check that, open your iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app, you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down below. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to fix verification failed. Verification code cannot be sent to this phone number at this time. Please try again later. If I want to create new Apple ID, I can face this kind of error. So if you're also facing this kind of error on your Apple ID when you create it, in this video, I will show you how you can fix. First of all, you need to close that. Okay. After that, you need to open your iPhone settings app. Okay. In settings app, as you can see right now, tap on general. After tapping on general, you need to scroll down again and tap on transfer or reset. Tap on reset and reset all network setting and create your Apple ID. Okay. If that method not working, then switch to the next method. The next method is also forced to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone forced to restart. Then try to create new Apple ID. It will 100% fix. Okay. If that method is also not working and you are still facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is make sure your iPhone not connected with any VPN. If your iPhone connected with any VPN, then remove the VPN and try again. To check that, open your iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app, you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down below and you can see appears on screen VPN and device management. Tap on that. Okay, make sure your iPhone not connected with any VPN. Make sure when you try to create Apple ID, your phone number is not used any Apple ID already used in any Apple ID, then it will not working. So friends, by this simple step and follow that simple method, you can easily fix that issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.